Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to book a service appointment online. Pretty simple setup. You go to our website, pentictonnissan.com, a couple different tabs at the top. You're going to go to service. Under service, you will see schedule an appointment. We're going to click that, let it load. Once it loads, it's going to give you a couple different options. You, for instance, can type, if you're a new customer, click I'm a new customer and go through there. Or if you're a returning customer, pretty easy to do. I'm just going to put in my phone number, hit search, and once it loads, it'll show me my vehicle. Once the vehicle pops up, I'm going to click that one, confirm my email, and hit verify. And there we go. So it showed my last service date was March 18th. If this is all correct, shows my current kilometers, I can hit continue. Right now, I'm just over the 30,000 kilometer mark, so it'll show me a couple options, multi-point, etc. And for instance, if your cars are up there at 105,000 kilometers, it'll show you what stuff is needed. So you can click that, click the next button, and move on ahead. You can, if you have concerns, you can click through a couple different options as well, and they can go through all of that for the service department to look through. I have none at the moment, so I'm just going to go to dealer recommended services. They're going to do air conditioning, recharge, etc., etc. It just gives you a whole bunch of different options that you can choose from. If you don't know, you could always talk to the service advisors when you get here. Afterwards, you're just going to choose your date. Let's go Friday. Let's go 10:30. Hit next. Confirm appointment. We're going to click that, and there we go. That is how you book a service appointment online. Easy as 1, 2, 3.